Starring Entertainment.
Another milestone. Dash? Charot. ChatGPT. Pero isang first in the Philippine jewelry industry. After the amazing success of Amari and the beautiful comeback of Miss Janela, I really realized once again that when people share the same passion and purpose, something truly magic happens. And now, the same energy continues as we welcome our new chapter, Sephira by Amara. When I started Amara Shia, ang pangarap ko lang talaga noon was to build something bigger than just a jewelry brand. I wanted to build a family of dreamers, believers, and doers na may puso, may integrity, at may malasakit sa bawat mga mangko. Not just for a sales, for all our clients. Sa industry na madalas puro competition, we choose collaboration. Kasi naniniwala ako, when strong woman and brand works together with trust and respect, mas malayo ang mararating natin. Mas maliwanag ang kinabukasan at mas may purpose ang lahat ng mga ginagawa natin. This partnership is proof that when vision meets hearts, we don't just grow, we evolve, we inspire, and we lift each other. Thank you so much for being with us today. Witnessing another milestone, not just for Amara, but for the whole jewelry industry. This is just the beginning, mga mangko. And together, we'll keep shining brighter than ever. Thank you so much and good evening, everyone.
Thank you.